How real men are like Yogeshwar Shrikrishna. My bold answer to this question is real men mirror Yogeshwar Shrikrishna by combining steady duty, clear discernment, and compassionate leadership, grounding action in knowledge, detachment, and service. The Bhagavad Gita presents Lord Yogeshwar Krishna as Bhagwan, the exemplar of integrated being, where action is aligned with wisdom and devotion. Translating that archetype into modern multidisciplinary terms yields a practical model for mature masculinity, cognitive clarity, emotional regulation, ethical agency, and social connectivity. This essay reframes those ancient insights into actionable habits and measurable traits for contemporary life. Now, the core qualities of real men modeled on Yogeshwar Sri Krishna. First, discernment and knowledge. The capacity to distinguish transient impulses from enduring values and to act from informed judgment rather than reactivity. Second, duty with detachment. Performing responsibilities fully while accepting outcomes without egoic clinging. Commitment to process over personal reward. Third, emotional equilibrium. Steady regulation under pressure, combining courage with empathy and the ability to remain present in difficult moments. Fourth, service oriented leadership. Guiding others by example, prioritizing collective welfare, and enabling others to flourish. Sixth, integrative practice. Daily habits that align body, mind, and social roles through disciplined learning, reflective solitude, and community engagement. These traits form a coherent profile of maturity that is both aspirational and practicable. Scientific and multidisciplinary framing. Psychology maps these qualities to executive function, emotional intelligence, and pro social motivation, all of which are measurable and trainable through evidence based practices. Neuroscience links disciplined attention and stress resilience to prefrontal regulation and adaptive neural plasticity. Organizational studies show that leaders who combine competence with service orientation foster trust and stronger group performance. Framing Yogeshwar's model in empirical terms makes it actionable, testable, and relevant across domains. Practical actions and connectivity. Cultivate discernment through structured study, critical reading, and reflective journaling to sharpen judgment and reduce impulsivity. Practice duty with detachment by setting process focused goals and conducting outcome audits to prevent identity fusion with results. Train emotional equilibrium using breath based regulation, focused attention exercises, and calibrated exposure to stressors to build resilience. Lead in service by mentoring, volunteering, and designing systems that distribute opportunity and responsibility. Build connectivity by sustaining diverse relationships, practicing active listening, and pursuing interdisciplinary curiosity to bridge ideas and people. These steps convert philosophical ideals into measurable habits that foster resilience, ethical clarity, and social impact. So, now the conclusion. Real men like Yogeshwar Shrikrishna are practical prototypes, integrated agents who pair inner mastery with outward responsibility. Emulating this model produces individuals who are effective, compassionate, and connected, capable of navigating complexity without losing moral center. The goal is not perfection, but steady cultivation of habits that align intention, competence, and care. Here now the disclaimers. Disclaimer. This essay interprets an archetype through contemporary scientific and social frameworks for motivational and educational purposes. It is not a doctrinal exposition nor a substitute for personal guidance. The intent is to translate enduring ideas into practical evidence informed actions. Disclaimers recap now. Interpretive intent only, not an authoritative doctrinal statement grounded in multidisciplinary translation, not scriptural substitution. Thank you very much for listening.